FUFA Drum 2024-25. The drums are beating. Uganda is ready. The wait is over. The FUFA Drum is back, and this year's group stage promises to be a carnival of football, culture, and pure regional pride. Match day 1 kicks off on Saturday, August the 30th, 2025, with two fiery openers in Baruli. Bagisu will unleash their home ground thunder against the fearless Acholi at Baruli City Stadium. The Acholi fans are already sharpening their chants, but Bugisu's mountain spirit will be a wall to climb. Over in Wakisu, Buganda faces Ankole at Kavumba Recreation Grounds. A duel of speed versus stamina, thus guaranteed to keep the crowd on its feet. On Sunday, August 31st, the spotlight shifts east to Kamuli, where Basoga takes on the unpredictable Chigezi at St. Joseph Technical Institute. Meanwhile, Teso will defend their home turf in Bukedia against Toro, a team known for its tactical discipline. Match day 2 turns up the volume on Saturday, September 6th, as Lion host Buganda in a patch. The Bomber Ground will be a fortress of drumming and dancing, with Buganda aiming to silence the Lion faithful. On the same day, Kampala takes on Toro, venue still to be confirmed, in what could be a tactical chess match. The following day, Sunday, September 7th, is all about big rivalries. West Nile welcomes Bugisu to Yumbe, and if history is anything to go by, this will be a battle of both skill and grit. At the same time, in Hoima, Banyoro faces Basoga at Chigaya PS grounds, with local fans promising to turn the venue into a sea of color and noise. Every match kicks off at 4 p.m. and will be shown live on FUFA TV, bringing the heartbeat of regional football straight to your living room. This isn't just football. This is heritage, pride, and the rhythm of the drum echoing across the nation. FUFA Drum 2024-2025, celebrating our ancestry.